Hello, in this video I'm going to explain the functions available on the Service Basket page that apply to the project or basket as a whole. These differ depending on the project stage. For example, for a project, booking, and model, and for some functions on user access rights. See also the tutorials on the Service Basket header and Service Basket services for a detailed look at these functions. For a new project, the Service Basket is empty. As services are added to the project, for example, a meet and greet, the number item count is updated to 1 and the service added appears in Service Basket. As more services are added, for example, car rental, the number of items increases to 2, and if, for example, 3 nights accommodation is added, to 5. The additional services added appear in the Service Basket. The account keeps track of progress in adding services and provides at a glance an idea of the completeness of the project. To communicate with the client about the project, whether first proposing a new project or throughout the life cycle of the project, click on Email this project. On the New Email tab, select the recipients and Add. Choose the content options such as language and rates, enter a message, and send. The email is sent to the selected recipient's copy to the consultant. On the Sent Items tab, previously sent messages can be seen. This same function can also be accessed by clicking on Email this project on Itinerary and Rates. See the tutorial on printing and sending the itinerary for a detailed look at how this function works. For a project that has not yet been booked, it is possible to amend the end date for the project by clicking on Amend Date First Service. Enter the new date, for example 15 May, and save. Note how all the dates are recalculated from the new date. See the tutorial on shortcuts for a detailed look at how this function works. Click on Save as Model if the project is to serve as a model for other projects rather than as a freestanding project. Models can be for FIT itineraries, group itineraries, series, scheduled departure, or training. Further options available on this page vary depending on the type of model selected. See the tutorial on managing models for a detailed look at how this function works. Click on Nights Only to display only accommodation. This is useful especially for guided tours with multiple services each day to have an overview specifically of accommodation services. Click on Display All to see all the other services again. For a project that has not yet been booked, once the client has accepted the proposal and bookings can proceed, click Book to launch the booking process and transform the project into a booking. See the tutorial on Bookings in T-Web for a detailed look at how this function works. Once the project has been booked, if a service is cancelled, it remains in the project. Once the cancellation has been sent, the cancelled services are by default hidden in the Service Basket to simplify the display. To see them again, click Show CXD. To hide them again, click Hide CXD. And that is it. Thank you for watching.